Huge topic in workers' comp. Drugs. Comes up a lot. I have a lot of clients. Some of them smoke weed. Some of them don't. Some of them drink. Some of them have tried other substances. And quite frankly, they're curious how that impacts their workers' comp case. I can tell you from experience, oftentimes there is post-accident drug testing, which means that the employer will actually send you directly to give a sample that gets tested for substances because they want to know whether or not you were under the influence when you got hurt. And if your injury was actually caused by the fact that you were under the influence, like you were so high, just high out of your mind so you couldn't balance and you fell off a ladder or something else, that may be enough to disqualify you from benefits. However, again, it's a nuanced topic because the intoxication itself actually has to have caused the injury, meaning if you're high out of your mind and you got hurt, but the fact that you're high had nothing to do with it, you'd still be able to collect workers' comp. So that's one subject. The other time drug testing comes up is generally something that's prescribed by your doctor. And generally that's something that's actually mandated by regulation, and it's something that they have to keep tabs on, meaning that if the doctor has prescribed you some serious heavy-hitting pain medication, narcotic pain medication, opiates and such, periodic drug testing is required, and they really want to make sure that you're taking the correct dosage, that you're not taking anything else that would interact badly with the medication that you're currently on. And that's periodic. And oftentimes, as far as the drug testing concerned, on the front end, we can't tell you when and if you're going to be drug tested, but it's something that you should be prepared for anyways. And it does come up in workers' compensation cases. If you are found to be on substances, as well as the fact that it may be a bar to your case, the insurance may use that to try to say that some of your symptoms are related to the fact that you're on those substances. So if you get high a lot and you're claiming memory loss from an injury, the insurance company might try to say, well, it's because you smoke a lot of weed. That's kind of a silly example, but just an example of nonetheless of how an insurance company may try to say that some other substance is actually causing or contributing to whatever symptom it is that you have. So drug testing does come up in workers' comp. Be prepared for it. If you're using substances, talk to your attorney. If you don't have an attorney, you should probably get one. If you don't want an attorney, at least talk to Information and Assistance at the Work Comp Appeals Board, and they'll be able to point you in the right direction.